Hi there, today I'm very excited as always because I'm going to be sharing with you how you can sing Ignorance by Paramore. I did have a request, I can't remember the name of the person who asked, but someone asked me if I could help you with singing like Hayley Williams. I can't guarantee that you're going to sound like Hayley Williams because you have your own voice. Now, her vocal structure, she's a very small, very petite person, so she has tiny vocal cords, and she is naturally a soprano. She has a very high voice. She has a very strong voice. So she's very well trained, very well technically trained. Now, I did watch some of her live videos from the early 2000s, back early years ago. And live, her vocals didn't quite match up to the recordings, but I do believe in more recent years, so at the time of making this video, it's May 2026, but I do believe that her voice live is much stronger than the videos that I watched previously. Why should you listen to me? Well, I've been a singer for more than 25 years now. I've been coaching, consulting, teaching. I've been a music lecturer for 23 plus years. I was a music lecturer for 10 years, music performance. I've performed in more than 30 countries, sold out gigs, festivals. These days, in terms of vocal training, coaching and mentoring, I work with professional singers, signed artists, chart acts, and people who have been in the charts from every single decade from the 1960s right up until now. So I've worked with thousands and thousands of singers. Now I work with professionals, people who are training to be professionals, and I help people like you on YouTube. So if you're not planning to be a professional singer, that's fine. Just keep watching my videos. Join my membership because I put out special videos for my members that will help you a little bit more than the ones that are just public. Okay, so Hayley Williams, as I said, she has a naturally high voice. She has a trained, strong voice with pretty much all rock singing. You can say that Hayley Williams is a rock singer. She's kind of more pop, but she sings with her backing band or a rock band for sure, and she plays lots and lots of rock festivals. She went into a little bit more pop. She did a bit of hip hoppy type stuff. I think it was with will.i.am. Someone in the comments is going to tell me if I'm wrong. And she's worked with other artists as well. Possibly, am I thinking Jay-Z? Am I thinking along the right lines? I don't recall. I might be wrong there, but again, someone will let me know. A great songwriter and has inspired many of the people that I've worked with, lots of singers all around the world. And I've actually performed the song that I'm going to be teaching you today. So because of copyright, I can't sing a lot of the song, I can't play a lot of the song, and I can't really teach you kind of line by line, but what I can do is share with you what Hayley Williams does to create the sounds that she creates. Now, I use distortion when I'm singing this song, so in places like yeah, we used to stick together, we wrote our names in blood, right, like that. It's not usually quite as heavy distortion as that, usually a bit more raspy, but I just kind of did it off the cuff there. Forward placement, kind of high twangy. You can sing it twangy to get the sounds that she makes. So that's forward placement, high forward placement with a high larynx. It's that kind of Bugs Bunny sound. Will you treat me just like... Okay, so it sounds quite harsh without all the effects from all the production stuff, right? And you want to keep it there the whole time. In the verses, it's very speaky. If I'm a bad person, you don't like me, well, I guess I'll make my own way. Right, it's very speaky, but it's forward placed. Everything is kind of forward of here. Now, I have had comments that say, oh, I wish vocal coaches wouldn't use terms like vocal placement. Well, it's actually the right technical term. So if you're not sure about anything I'm talking about, the internet is a wonderful place for research. Speaky in the verses, it's a little bit more singy in the choruses, but what you don't want to do is go into full head voice with pharyngeal resonance. So you don't want, will you treat me just like another stranger? Unless you're specifically trying to sing that way. However, if you're trying to sing it similar to the way that Hayley Williams is singing it, you want forward placement. Will you treat me just like... Don't worry about vibrato. Don't try to add vibrato. that's a whole different thing. What most people do when they're learning a song, especially without training, is you try to make all of the sounds and sing all of the high notes with all of the power bits and all of the distortion bits and all of the vibrato bits without knowing what you're doing. So, like I always say, sing everything clean. Learn the melody first. Get the melody right in soft singing, in a soft voice. Then add the power. So you can start, if I'm a bad person, you don't like me. Now, clearly I'm not from America. I'm not even going to try to do an American accent. I wouldn't insult people like that. So I sing it a bit more in my accent. I guess I'll make my own way. It's a circle. So I don't have that hard R. It's a circle. I don't sing like that. I would sing it, it's a circle. Right, I have to be careful how much I sing because I'll get a copyright strike. So forward placement, Bugs Bunny. Nah. So practice the melody first, learn that, and then do it section by section. Get to the chorus, support the sound that's coming out, but you don't need to use a lot of air to sing those high notes. Power doesn't come from pushing your voice, and it definitely doesn't come from trying to squeeze your voice. So you have to learn the right techniques, and I do have a rock singers crash course. I'm going to put the playlist in the link. It's just a YouTube playlist. You don't need to put your email in or anything like that. I'm not farming for emails here. Coming from the first chorus into the second verse, we've got ignorance is your new best friend. Ignorance is your new best friend. And this is the best thing. Now, you can make it more breathy there by learning how to use breathy technique, or you can just make it a bit more speaky. And this is the best thing that could have happened. Okay, I have put some vibrato in there. You shouldn't at the beginning. Just make it nice and clean. Make it as bland as you can so that you can get the right melody and get the right technique. Then you put the sexy stuff in afterwards. Hayley Williams sings quite high and it's very, very open. This is what makes her voice sound so strong. It's very open, very forward, and it doesn't sound like it's taxing at all. And she's not really belting because of where her voice sits. For you, it might be a belt. So you decide where you want your voice to sit. I would go for a twang to make sure you get the right kind of timbre for your voice. If you want to make it rounder and fuller, you can make it more of a belt than a twang. If you're not sure, just look up what twang is. I've got a video that I'm going to link somewhere in the description or a pinned comment when I remember to do it. Look that up and then you can learn that. But don't try and do it straight away when you're learning this song. Learn it soft, add the twang, and you need forward placement to add the distortion. So you learn it in layers. Clean, forward placement, power, embellishments of vibrato, distortion, the other stuff. I do have a short somewhere. Go into my shorts and look for the Ignorance by Paramore and you'll hear the way that I sing it. So I can't really put it in this video because of the copyright strike. So if you've seen some of my videos and you would like some vocal training, I do get asked a lot. I'm actually currently fully booked at the time of making this video. This is May 2026. But if you do want some help from me, drop me an email and I can put you on the waiting list. This is for people who are either gigging for performing, recording or auditioning right now, or who are planning to in the next 6 months. This isn't for hobbyists or casual singers. I just don't have the capacity for that anymore. If you're not quite ready for one-to-one vocal training, go to my store. I've got lots of different resources for singers at different levels. And if you're a beginner, even if you're a hobbyist, I have some stuff for you as well. I'll see you very soon. Stay hydrated. Ciao!